We're taking baby Callie to the museum for the first time. Before I sold my Bandit 1250, a guy had pulled up with a Concourse 1400. Actually has the same engine as the ZX 1400. And this is what happened.
Sounds exactly like this bike. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, I was actually shooting the Bandits video.
Yeah,
and a really awesome guy who lives around the corner came out and he brought his beautiful bike out here. This is you said Kawasaki.
It's a 2008 Kawasaki Concourse 14.
Okay, Concourse 14.
Okay.
I've actually never heard of this before. Wow.
Sport touring bike. It's got the ZX 14 engine.
Is it a dirt bike up there somewhere?
No. Oh. YouTube channel where it's running up and down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bike just called and said somebody was in one of these fields, right?
Oh, maybe there's a dirt bike over there.
Oh, that side of the road.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, but what I was telling the gentleman here is that his bike, it sounds exactly like the Bandit.
Right?
And he actually told me I can take it up and down the road here. So, awesome.
Enjoy it.
Yes, sir. Will do. Man,
Yeah.
this is a pleasure. I mean, I'm not going to lie. Wow. Oh, my God.
Oh, that is funny.
Just a little bit farther,
Oh, yes,
otherwise
sir.
it'll stall.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Oh, it's so smooth.
All I keep hearing him say is, wow. You like it, baby?
Yeah, I do like it.
There you go.
You got a great bike. You got a great bike.
You gotta get into it.
Oh, you want me to?
Get into it. It's like 10,000.
Rip it,
Wow,
baby.
all right.
When you feel this thing hit at 10, 11,000,
Yes, sir.
it's fun.
Okay, awesome. All right.
Have at it. First, second, third, whatever. 60, 90, 120. First, second, third.
Okay, wow.
Do it, baby.
Alrighty. Usually I don't get on people's bikes until they tell me to.
Right? There it is. There you go. Get it, baby.
Yeah, it's a fun bike.
Oh, I can tell. He is having a blast.
Amazing bike. Amazing bike. Amazing. Man, I never thought that something that honestly looks like this could perform like that.
It goes.
Man, that was
Oh my
amazing. And one
goodness.
time at first gear, it came up on me a little. I was like, what?
Different in a second.
Dude, this bike is perfect. It literally is the perfect touring bike.
Yep.
I'm not gonna lie, especially if
That's
you want to have some
crazy.
fun. You know? I had a blast. The only thing worth mentioning is that I lost front brake pressure. And there it goes, building back up. Downshift, use the back brake a little bit, you know, but yeah, if anything, it could be that your reservoir might just need a little fluid in it. But it's just something I wanted to bring to your attention.
I'll take a look at it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, your bike is awesome. Man, I wasn't expecting anything like that from this.
Yeah. No,
Wow.
it's a solid bike.
Man, I'll tell you, you definitely, that was amazing, man. It was a pleasure to be able to ride your motorcycle. Wow.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, now I see why you were saying that you wanted to bring it out to race.
Yeah.
It
Love
can
having it out here.
race. You imagine if someone brought this to a drag strip?
Right?
You know, you could actually possibly embarrass some people out there.
Talk about a sleeper.
Yeah. Man,
Great.
thank you so much, sir.
Sure thing.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah,
same
you
with
too.
Wow.
That was awesome.
Right? Oh, I didn't realize it actually has a Two Brothers exhaust.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Man, I actually might
at the
have to
plate.
look into one of these bikes.
Just in case.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You ride safe.
Guys, have a good one.
Oh, yeah.
You too.
Wow. These things look like supercars. That's beautiful. Wow! Yes! Wow! Dang! Just made it to the Marbles Museum, guys. We got little mama and the baby. All right, baby, we can walk. Let's do it. Yeah, that's crazy how that dude let me test ride his Concourse 1400, y'all. I definitely have a newfound respect for the Concourse 1400. I hope you're ready, baby Callie.
You ready, Mama?
Oh, yeah. This place is packed. Pretty cool place for kids. There goes my mom. There goes my dad, YouTube. This is really cool. That is so cool. Callie's about to have the time of her life in this boat. Oh man. Talk about a memory. You drive that boat, baby. You drive that boat, Callie. I just want to tell you, you look beautiful, Mama.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Babe, I'm so happy that Callie's having fun. That's what it's all about. By the way, you look beautiful, baby. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, these got to be some of the biggest Legos I've ever seen, right? Babe, our daughter looks so adorable. Yes, that's taller than Callie. Oh my God, you can't even see her. You disappeared. Nice shot, little mama. Go ahead, Callie. Hey, that's her first shot. That's cool. Good job, Callie. Oh, that's cool. Good job. Callie's first time on a little trampoline. You gotta balance. You gotta balance, Callie.
Yay, go ahead, Mama.
Whoa. That is pretty cool, Callie. Baby Callie's first time going down a slide. You ain't never been down a slide your whole life, baby. Oh, that's cool. Good girl. Good girl, Callie. I got you, baby. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Two Wheel Family. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We love you all. Until next time, peace.